Dirty Dan, Dan the Man, and we're back for another video. This video, if you guys look at the time, it's 11:44 right now, or 11:36. Oh, we're gonna get at 11:44. We're selling the Panamera. Super last minute. I was gonna go out with the boys, home with my boy Trickster and Danny. We're gonna go just to cruise around Rodeo Drive and just, do the usual we do on Fridays. This guy hit me up, says he wanted to buy the Panamera. Super last minute. I let him check it out. He loved it. He wanted to buy it. At first I was like, what the heck, like it's too late to buy a car, but super cool guy. The Panamera is going to leave now. It does get a little sentimental when you're gonna get rid of a car, but better things are gonna come out of this. So yeah, this is the last time you guys are gonna be seeing that Panamera. There's not gonna be no more Panamera. Will I go X5M? Will I go any AMG, or who knows? But we're gonna go to something else now. Peace. Alright guys, I sold my Panamera last night when I was out with the boys. We were supposed to go to the car meet. Ended up selling the car, and now it's the next day, and I got something. It was kind of unexpected. I did want this. I've been talking about it, but this came unexpected on what I got. What do you guys think? Comment down below what you guys think, what I got. Maybe by the thumbnail you guys will be able to tell what I got, but I ended up getting this. It's a 2011 X5M. I don't know how to say the color specifically, but it is the color that it comes in. I read online that there's not many of them this color, so I got this. It's 2011. And there's a chip here, but this color is super nice and red. I used to have a regular X5, but it wasn't an M, so this is my first M. It's completely fully loaded with everything that you could imagine. It has the 360 camera, so it has the front camera, it has the camera under the mirrors. This is interior, it's black interior. Super bad gas mileage. It's plain, I'm gonna get copywritten. Super clean interior, it's like super clean. It only has 2 owners. Super well taken care of. It also has soft closed doors. Yeah. My mom's stuff. Rear shades, but it's super clean, super well taken care of. Super well taken care of. This is the rear. I'm gonna have to tint the rear. X5M. Super clean in here. It has the cover. It has the little those little rugs. You go over here, you look under, even in the rug it says BMW. So it's super nice. It's super well taken care of. Super nice color. I will change the wheel color. Right now it looks super sick. I like the way it looks. It is gonna be lower. Front window tint is gonna get replaced. I'm gonna put a darker one. Let me show you guys here. Super clean. It also has every single option. You guys see there, it has massage seats, the parking sensors, traction off, and then the thing to open up the back of the, what's it called, the tailgate. Also the 360 camera. It has heated and cooling seats, which I was looking for one of these with every single option, and this is it. It doesn't have blind spot detection. I think blind spot came later, or maybe this one is just missing it. You see, super clean. It has front end PPF on it, so that's already good. I just noticed this, it has this chip. Probably have to get this replaced. Hopefully it doesn't break more. I never had a red car like this, so that's also exciting. Let's see, show you guys the color. I don't know where it says the color. But yeah, I saw the Panamera. I wasn't happy with the Panamera like that. I've been wanting an X5M. Let's see, everything's super clean. Everything is super clean in here. See the covers, and so this is an S63 engine. I know everything they say about them, that they're bad whatsoever. Yeah, I can't find the color anywhere. Yeah, I can't find the color, but this is the new truck on the channel. What I really like is that it's super stock, like stock, there's nothing done to it, which is super good in my opinion, because now I could do a lot of things to it that I wasn't able to do before. So this is good that it is stock. It's perfect for me. What do you guys think about the color red? I honestly think my dad's not gonna like this color red, but we'll see what he thinks when he sees it. I picked it up for a good deal. It's clean title, 2 owners, and now it's gonna be, let me see, it's zooming in. It's going to be me, Eric, Vic, and we're all gonna have X5Ms, which is super cool. Now we're going to meets, and it's gonna be super cool that we are gonna have the same SUV. As of now, I think I might have to do brakes, but figure that out, or not figure out, but we'll do that for sure. And the color, I have it on here on my phone. Let me go to Google quick. Melbourne Red Metallic. So, let's see, Melbourne. Colors right here. So that's the color. Super sick color on this X5. I really like the color a lot. Anyways, let me know what you guys think on the SUV. I'll show more features. I'll do startups, a little revs. Oh, you know what, I'll do some revs right now. I'll have my girl record and hear the revs, and let me know what you guys think. But I love the SUV. I wanted something different. I've been wanting the SUV ever since I had my last X5M. Well, not last X5M, I had an X5, the V6 twin turbo one, 2011 as well. So I'm happy that I upgraded to this now. I also had found another M6 and then a ML63 and a CLS63, and I did talk about last time I really wanted to get the CLS63, but I think this is the perfect choice for me right now because I've been wanting an SUV that's fast, and I do want one of the newer ones, but this one, the color, the specs on it, I couldn't pass it up, and it also was a good deal. So let me show you guys the startup and how it sounds. It also has heads-up display, so let me get that. So you guys heard those revs. It's stock, so that's why it's not going to be loud at all. It also has a M button right here. Dash just 180 for an SUV is sick. Seats are super clean. I'll show you guys all the features after. I just wanted to show you guys what I got after the Panamera. But anyways, it's been Dan, and I'm out.
On my hip, this bitch feel like it's Law and Order. You know I stay lit, I just rolled up a fucking quarter. Then you want outside, I can't pull up in nothing normal.